VCL, the Faculty of English, and my institution name is RK Spoken Zone, which is near Gopalpur Mall, and I have been teaching spoken English, even literature, since 2008 at Sampachak Market. And a lot of students who are coming at RK Spoken Zone to learn English, how to speak English, especially British and American accent. A lot of students who have got nervousness, especially Bihar Board students, they did matriculation from government schools, and in government school English is not taught over there. That's why they are poor in their English. And in my institution, there are many facilities which I have given to my students. Especially there is a digital classroom, a smart sitting way, and there are many students who do not have knowledge about word stocks. So I give some assignments to improve their English at home. And in COVID-19, as I know that there was a pandemic in our country and the world, in COVID-19 I started my online classes. If any students who are interested to study English online, they can join my apps. And students who have got a lot of nervousness, yeah, they want to join and they want to go other state, even other countries, and they have got accent and pronunciation issues, they can join my institutions. And I always limit students in my institution in a single batch, only 30 students in my campus.
Education system in Bihar, because we have got many subjects, and we have one focus, and that's why we have a change in schools, government schools like Sajal Library, communication skill systems, and computers labs, etc. to innovate their minds, and they have got jobs easily.
Your name?
It's me, Aryan Singh, from RK Spoken Zone.
Tell me, what is the condition of Bihar in education department?
Sorry?
What is the condition of Bihar in education department?
I think the condition of Bihar is too bad as respect to another parts of our country, because I think in Bihar there are so many corruptions, and this relate our education so poor. That's it.
And what is the solution of it?
We have to change our leader. We have to do so many things. We have to make so many plans on it. After that we can change.
Like what?
Like we have to focus not only on study, we have to focus on games, another sports, and etc. activity curriculum, and we have to change teachers who are not well educated. We should change it. That's it.
RK Spoken Zone.
Okay. Anshu, tell me one thing. Why people of India defame the degree of Bihar students?
Because the Indian people think that in Bihar the people are not more educated. That's all, they defame the degree of Bihar.
आपका नाम?
I am Gyanti Kumari from RK Spoken Zone.
Okay, actually, one thing. Who is the more responsible that our skilled India is not developed?
This a student and a government both are responsible for that.
And what is the solution of it?
Solution that government should provide us to proper facility to develop our skill.
Facilities like?
Like in government school, sports, computers, libraries. That's it.
I'm Sweetie, the student of RK Spoken Zone.
Could you tell me one thing? Why do parents don't provide equal opportunities to their children?
Parents do not provide equal opportunities to children because they do discrimination. They think that son give more facility and they are proper facility give to parents, but they don't think that daughter she can also do all types of give proper facilities, and also parents do not provide equal facility to stepsons. They don't think that all are equal.
I am Chanchal and I am the student of RK Spoken Zone.
Okay, tell me one thing now. What is the difference in education system in both parties, like RJD, JDU in Bihar?
I know that due to crime, RJD is not in power, but at least in that time, teacher attend their classes and education is better than this time. in JDU in power, that in that time, in that time, education is just opposite to that time. This time. That's it.
I am Preeti from RK Spoken Zone.
Adi, tell me one thing. What is the purpose of education or being educated?
The purpose of educating or being educated, that is about giving a student the skill they need to succeed in the new world and helping them grow the confidence to practice those skills. That's all. Thank you.
Ankit, tell me now, what should be changed in education system in Bihar?
I think firstly change 11 syllabus and 12 syllabus is both is compulsory in the 12th exam. And secondly, if any students in fail in the his class and so do not go in the next.
Come from RK Spoken Zone.
Asha, Kunal, tell me one thing now. Are you satisfied with the education system?
No, definitely not.
Why?
Because we are studying right now, but after getting a degree, we do not get employed.
So,
So
what's your
what's the
plan?
need? What's the need to get a study or a piece of paper?
So what's your future plan then?
My
Because you are
future
studying
plan,
right
if
now.
I am getting education, if I am well educated and I have the talent to prescribe my life, succeed in my life, definitely I'll get a job.
Don't you think that there are lots of people who are suffering because they have degree but then don't have job because the government don't have that much of jobs? That's why.
This is Bihar.
Yeah.
Most of the students always focus upon the government sector.
Yeah.
You know that. But according to me, if I have a piece of paper and with the piece of that paper, I have that talent. If I am bachelor and I have the each and every talent of being a bachelor, and definitely I'll get a job then. No need of a government job only.
So are you satisfied with the present government?
Government